Hey friends, so in this video we will be talking about various kinds of oxides, but before we go into the types, let us first recall what oxides are. Here we have our definition with us. A binary compound of oxygen with another element is known as oxide. So what do we mean by binary? From our mathematics we know binary means two, right? Any compound having two elements, one being oxygen, another being the element is known as an oxide. Example, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and so on. So carbon forms a compound with oxygen and we call it carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide which we were just talking about is an example of a simple oxide, right? So before I give you an example of a mixed oxide and then we will discover the differences. So a mixed oxide is, for example, Pb2O3, right? Or Pb3O4. Now these mixed oxides look like they are formed of two oxides, right? Pb3O4 is a combination of PbO2 and PbO as well. So when such oxides which are a mixture of two oxides are found, we call them mixed oxide. Whereas oxide as simple as carbon dioxide is known as simple oxide. So this was one categorization of oxides between simple and mixed. We have another categorization based on their acidic or basic behavior, and that is acidic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxides and neutral oxides. Let us go to them one by one. Oxide, when reacts with water and if it forms an acid, we call it an acidic oxide. Alright? So, here I have my periodic table, colored accordingly. All these are acidic oxides, right? Oxides of boron, carbon, nitrogen, silicon, phosphorus. Now, can you give me a similarity between all these elements? All these elements are non-metals, right? Bismuth is a metal. Apart from that, all these are non-metals. And to make our life easier, these non-metals form only acidic oxides, right? Hence we can easily identify whether an oxide is acidic or basic if we know whether that particular element with which the oxide is formed is a metal or a non-metal. So all non-metals form acidic oxides, right? Alright, like all other things we have an exception here also, that is